In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a circular image using the online image editor at gifget.com. First, visit gifget.com. Upload your image using the File Upload button. Select the elliptical marquee tool from the toolbar on the left. In the Tool Options bar, select Aspect Ratio. Make sure the width and height are set to a 1:1 ratio. This will constrain the selection to a circle. Check Centered if you wish to draw the circle from its center. Press and drag to draw the circular selection around the desired portion of the image. From the Image menu, select Crop to Selection, to resize the image to the dimensions of the circle. We now need to make the area around the circular selection transparent. Go to the Select menu and select Invert. This flips the selection to the area outside the circle. From the Edit menu, select Clear, to erase in the selected region. Close the selection by clicking Deselect, under the Select menu. You now have a circular image. To save the image, go to the File menu, and select Export Image. In the dialog, select the PNG file format. This will preserve the transparency in the file. Download the image by clicking the Save Image button. Your image should be in your computer's download folder. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for upcoming image editing videos. Check the description below for related links. And remember, you can edit your images online, for free, at gifget.com.